Welcome to Marrakech, one of the best destinations in the world. In this video, we are going to cover the best places, insider tips, prices, and everything you need to know to make your 5 days in Marrakech a lifetime experience. Starting now, we offer a complimentary consultation. Find our email below. Don't hesitate to contact us for personalized recommendations at no cost. In this 5 days, every day presents something unique and exciting. Now, let's embark on the adventure and explore what Day 1 has in store for us. Day 1. After a smooth fast track through customs and a hassle-free airport pickup, you'll be transported to your hotel where a world of comfort awaits. Unpack, unwind, and perhaps indulge in a refreshing Moroccan mint tea as you acclimate to the vibrant city vibes. Begin your exploration with a walking tour that starts in the lush, vibrant Majorelle Garden, a serene oasis of exotic plants and striking architecture. Next, step into the historical Bahia Palace, marveling at its intricate mosaics and grand courtyards. Your journey continues to the Madrasa Ben Youssef, a masterpiece of Islamic architecture, before immersing yourself in the bustling Medina and the iconic Jemaa El Fna Square, a sensory overload of sights, sounds, and smells. Dine under the stars at a rooftop restaurant where traditional Moroccan dishes meet stunning views of the city. Post-dinner, consider a leisurely stroll through the illuminated square, capturing the nighttime buzz of Marrakech. Day 2. Awaken before dawn for a hot air balloon adventure, where anticipation hangs in the cool morning air like a veil of mystery. As you step out into the pre-dawn darkness, your excitement grows with each passing moment. The gentle hiss of the balloon's burners adds to the sense of anticipation, punctuating the stillness of the early morning with bursts of fiery light. Post-flight, savor an authentic Berber breakfast amidst the tranquil Moroccan countryside. Enjoy some downtime. Lounge by your hotel's pool, explore local boutiques, or visit a traditional hammam for a rejuvenating spa experience. Immerse yourself in Moroccan culinary arts with a cooking class led by a local chef. Learn the secrets of spices and techniques in crafting a perfect tagine. Later, relish the dinner you've prepared, complemented by the warm Moroccan hospitality. Day 3. Take the day to wander at your own pace. Explore the artisanal souks, visit more historic sites, or simply relax in one of Marrakech's serene gardens. Embark on a guided food tour that introduces you to the heart of Moroccan street food. Savor delicacies like harira soup, sizzling kebabs, and sweet pastries, learning about the cultural stories behind each dish. Day 4. Venture out of the city for a guided tour to the majestic Ouzoud waterfalls. Trek through olive groves, enjoy encounters with local wildlife, and marvel at the stunning waterfalls. Take a refreshing dip or a boat ride, capturing the essence of this natural paradise. Return to Marrakech and unwind. Perhaps enjoy a tranquil dinner at a garden restaurant, savoring flavors that reflect the day's natural beauty. Day 5. Relish a leisurely breakfast, followed by any last-minute explorations or shopping. It's a chance to soak in the city's ambience one last time. Your journey concludes with a transfer to the airport at 4 p.m. As you depart, carry with you the rich tapestry of experiences, flavors, and memories created in the enchanting city of Marrakech. Enjoy your journey, filled with discovery, indulgence, and unforgettable moments. In conclusion, a journey to Marrakech is a captivating odyssey through a tapestry of history, culture, and culinary delights. From the vibrant bustle of the Medina to the tranquil beauty of its gardens, every moment in Marrakech offers a unique experience that lingers in the memory long after departure. Whether it's exploring ancient palaces, savoring traditional dishes, or simply soaking in the ambience of this enchanting city, Marrakech beckons travelers to immerse themselves in its magic. As you bid farewell to the Red City, carry with you not just souvenirs, but a treasure trove of moments, each a testament to the enduring allure of Marrakech and the rich tapestry of experiences it offers. Until we meet again, may the memories of Marrakech continue to inspire and enrich your journey through life.